Hello guys, and welcome to another Rover 75 video adventure. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the headlight switch for the fog lights on the front when you want to upgrade your Rover 75 with the front headlights. So cracking. What we're going to need is a screwdriver and unscrew this screw here and that screw there, and once that one is done, as you can see, it's fairly free. It has two little latches, one here and one right there. So if we're gonna pull it towards yourself, that's gonna sort it out. So just try to pull it like so, and like so. So one here and one here. They will fairly come out easily. Just have to apply a bit of pressure. Right, next step. We have another screw here, and another screw there. Now that the screws have been unscrewed, you just pull it towards yourself. And now this is an interesting locking mechanism, so you have to press this little button here and then pull the white lever down. And there you go. That's gonna disconnect. As I was saying, this is YWC 106940 with only the back fog lights. And the one that we're gonna upgrade is 106950 with both buttons on. So I'm gonna put it back in, which is fairly easy, and then pull the white lever back up. It's hard with one hand, so just there you go, until you will hear the click. And this is going back here. I'm gonna put the 3 screws here, and then I'll mount back the cover and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. There we go, back on. Yeah, 2 buttons now, everything sorted, and that it is. Thank you for watching and good luck.